The Los Angeles Lakers chose Oracle ERP Cloud very soon after I began with the team. We realized that our legacy system couldn't support us through this growth phase, and we wanted to move to a platform, obviously in the cloud, that had financials, fixed assets, as well as a BI tool in the EPM cloud system that could assist us as we built out all of our departments, including the basketball team. The metrics that we report to our executives at the Los Angeles Lakers include our season ticket member retention, fan experience, sponsor engagement, as well as our social media investment. These are all key items that we review, we analyze every season to ensure that as a team and as a franchise, we're not only delivering a quality product, but we're also maintaining and understanding and keeping in touch with our fan base. We're excited about AI and machine learning and the possibilities that provides to our finance department. Currently, our month-end and quarter-end close can take up to 4 weeks. I'm excited to create a touchless close process so we can reduce the amount of time it takes us to post manual recurring entries, prepare account reconciliations, and even audit schedules. One of the benefits to consolidating the HR and finance function to a single platform is attracting and retaining top talent. We have secure employee information on multiple systems currently. It's important to consolidate that information to a single system of record and have secure controls in place. It's all about growing on the same platform, providing our executives with real-time reporting for revenue and KPIs, all of those items that our executives want information on, so how we're doing day-to-day, game-to-game throughout the season.